In the previous video, we have set up CLI Wallet and we have imported our account in this lecture. Just very quickly, I want to show you how you can create multiple accounts. Let's begin. Go to your terminals and always follow SUI client command or any SUI command. So if you press here SUI or write here SUI, press enter, you will see all of the subcommands you can use. When you write here SUI client, you can see all the subcommands you can use with the SUI client. And now we are looking for a SUI client command. Okay, so right here SUI client, and here we want to create a new address. Why we want to create a new address? Because outside of the lecture, actually, I have changed my account. I have removed my old account because I already shared with you my key phrase. So I create a new account. So when I will write here SUI client addresses, you will see that I have now actually two addresses. Okay, so if you want to create multiple addresses, you can, again, just write here SUI client, and here you can use the command new address space and the hashing algorithm here, ed or CECP or whatever. We will use the first one as we used before, so this one here. Copy it, please, ed 25519, clear the screen, and let's write here SUI client new dash address and space and this, and press enter. This will generate you new account. As you can see, actually I will be hiding this recovery phrase from from you just for security reasons, but you can see the new account has been generated. And I will copy my recovery phrase somewhere safe. Okay, so copy your recovery phrase to some safe file or on the paper. Depends. If you want to just use it for testing, all good. If you want to use it for productions, I wouldn't suggest it. Okay. So I've copied my key phrase, my recovery phrase. I will clear the screen now. Okay, and we'll write here again SUI client addresses. And again, now you see which account is currently active. Okay, so for me, it's this very nice name, Pensive Cry So Light, with this address. If you want to change the address, for example, now, how you can do it? So right here again, SUI client, and there should be switch. You see the switch command, and then with the switch command, you can change it to the different account. So again, right here, SUI client addresses. Maybe we'll get used to this command. It's very good practice. And now we want to, let's say, switch to Cranky Peril. I like this name. So if you want to switch there, we'll write here SUI client switch dash dash address. What I'm wrong here? What address like this? Address, and just copy this alias like this. Cranky Peril. Press enter, and now let me see. I've been switched, and I'll write here SUI client addresses, and now the Cranky Peril should be active as my address. And so now when I will be making transaction to SUI blockchain, I will be making transactions from this address here. Okay, whatever address is your active one, that's from where you will be making a transaction. That will be the sender of the transaction. Okay, I want to go back to my Pensive Cry So Light, because that's what I have imported also to SUI Wallet. So I will go there. So SUI client switch dash dash address and Pensive Cry So Light. Okay, and now let's say I want to import the new address into my wallet. So the steps are exactly the same. Just go and copy your secret phrase, what you have created this address with. Okay, I have copied mine. I will go to my browser. I will open here wallet and just click here account, and I will click here import, and under the import wallet recovery phrase, click here recovery phrase and just paste it here. Okay, I have pasted my entire phrase here, confirm my import, and now you have here in the second account. Okay, wallet 1, wallet 2, and you have here the different accounts. Okay, so now at least we will be able to simulate some transactions, that we, for example, to send a coin from one account to another one. You can see I have here 0 SUI, and also notice here that we have here faucet by default, so maybe we can just click here faucet and ask for some SUI. Click here faucet. Okay, let's see, we'll get some. faucet succeed. And yeah, we have to SUI now. Perfect. We can go to other account, let's say here. And here, let's click here faucet. Okay, maybe we shouldn't be asking so much. Okay, we need to wait more. Okay, probably because I already asked for a SUI, but if you want to send now SUI to the other account, you can do it very simply. So if I will, maybe I can do it without copying even account address. I will click here send and send SUI, yes, next step, and choose the address. And you can see I can choose here between the accounts. So both of them are called one. That's very confusing. So I will go back a few steps and then I will rename my accounts, and I will rename them to what I have here. It will be, as you will know, the names will be the same from in our wallet and also here. So this pensive chrysolite is this address here, 0x97. I will get here. This is this one. You can see. I will click here design to edit. Click here. This can stay blue, and I will just change it to pensive chrysolite. Okay. And I will go to cranky pearl, copy its name. All right, I will go to account 2, click here edit. I will change the color to this one, and I will call it cranky pearl. Save this. Okay, I will go back to my pensive chrysolite. I will click here send, and next step, choose your address to cranky pearl, and next step, I will send there one SUI. Let's say confirm. Okay, and here we are. We can go back here. I have only one SUI here, or 0.99999, because I paid something for transaction fees, very small ones, and Cranky Pearl has one SUI. Okay, so that's what I have to show you. Okay, play with the commands here, discover maybe more, and be sure that you're familiar with them, and we'll continue next lecture. We'll be actually creating the package. See you there.